Realme's GT series has always been synonymous with speed, and the newest GT3 does not disappoint. The Realme GT3 supports 240-watt wired charging, making it the world's fastest charging flagship according to Realme. The new smartphone was launched at MWC 2023 in Barcelona, and we've managed to get our hands on the device for a little while. Hey everyone, my name is Ishan, this is Gadgets 360, and here are our first impressions for the Realme GT3. So let's get started. The Realme GT3 has a flat screen and an AG rear glass panel with aluminium sides. The smartphone's back has a matte texture that repels fingerprints and has curved edges. There's the Realme branding at the bottom, followed by the camera module and a transparent glass window right next to it on the top. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC is visible through the glass, and there's an RGB LED notification panel here that Realme calls Pulse Interface. The Pulse Interface on the Realme GT3 is one of the unique features of this smartphone. The RGB LED lights up when the smartphone is charging, low on battery, for incoming notifications, etc. The color of the LED can be changed in the settings according to your preference. The smartphone comes equipped with a triple rear camera setup with a 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 primary camera, followed by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 2-megapixel microscope camera, and the flash. For the front camera, the Realme GT3 uses a 16-megapixel sensor. The side rails of the Realme GT3 are matte finished with the power button on the right and the volume buttons on the left. The Type-C charging connector, speaker grill, SIM slot, and microphone are all positioned on the bottom of the smartphone, and an IR blaster and second microphone are located on the top. Realme is focusing on the very quick 240-watt charging capability of this smartphone. The 240-watt adapter is bundled in the box and allows the GT3 to charge from 0 to 20% in 80 seconds, 0 to 50% in just 4 minutes, and 0 to 100% in just 9.5 minutes according to the brand. Realme claims that the 4600 mAh battery in the GT3 gives it a standby time of up to 21 days. For all those having heating concerns, Realme claims to have tackled that by using a stainless steel cooling system as well as software modifications to ensure safer charging. The Realme GT3 sports a 6.74-inch 144Hz AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution. In my limited usage, the display looked bright enough and produced decent colors. The smartphone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, which is more than competent at handling graphically intensive games and apps. The phone runs Realme UI 4.0 based on Android 13. The Realme GT3 is definitely a unique product which should be a delight for somebody who's looking for a very fast charging in their next smartphone. It also offers decent specs, and the look and feel of this smartphone is quite premium. That's it for today's video. What do you think of Realme GT3? Let us know in the comments. See you guys in the next one. Until then, keep following Gadgets 360 for all things tech.